All right, if you have an 8th gen Civic and your AUX port is not working, or you have to push the AUX cable a certain way for it to get the connection, this is how you fix it. First thing you want to do, you want to take this cap off. All I did was get a pick and I pried that cap off. Once you pry that cap off, there's a little gasket right here which you want to remove. Then take some vice grips and we're going to pull this assembly out. Slides right out. So what we did here, we just soldered, again, this is how it comes out. We just soldered the first left pins together. Very quick job. This is the way I found that works the best, because you don't have to take the whole assembly apart and go into the wire harness behind it. So if you had a solder gun, this is your fix, and I already tested it and it works, and it works just fine. You can see I got the CD playing, but now it goes into AUX and it stays into AUX. So it's definitely giving me the connection I want.